Hello, how are you all? This morning I was listening to a devotional song. I thought I should share it with you because I liked it. The song was saying, the company of a foolish person reduces one's wisdom. The mind gets distracted by desires. When you are around foolish people, people who you already know speak nonsense or say things that don't make sense to you, if you keep talking to them and spending time with them, what happens? Many times you may have some inner feeling, some universal truth, some intuition from within, but if you discuss it with such people, they will dismiss it. Oh, that doesn't happen. And you end up feeling troubled. So, the company of a foolish person reduces wisdom, the mind gets distracted by desires. Desires means indulgences. Things like, I should eat this, I should eat that, I should talk to this person, I should also do what that person is doing. When the mind is not under control, it gets caught up in such things, and so your wisdom declines and your mind gets lost in these desires. Then the next line comes. One's aura diminishes in the company of immoral women. Wisdom declines if one overeats. Like people say, extramarital affairs, which have become more common these days, what will happen from them? Your teja, aura, personal radiance will decrease. People will no longer be drawn to you. You won't be able to present yourself confidently. Parents often advise their children to stay away from such people. Your aura will diminish, your focus on work will suffer, and you'll know where your energy is being drained. You'll have to hide things, live secretly, and that will hurt your confidence. And wisdom declines if one eats too much. If someone eats more than necessary all day long, their intellect also declines. Then, love diminishes if one keeps asking for things repeatedly. When you keep asking someone for things again and again, give me this, give me that, the love and affection they have for you will decrease. And respect declines if one visits others' homes too often. If you keep going to others' homes repeatedly without a real reason, your value in their eyes will diminish. That's why I only visit my relatives when there's a special occasion or an important event. We don't go just for the sake of going, to avoid overstaying our welcome. Finally, Dayal says, listen, O foolish mind, sins are reduced when you sing the praises of the Lord. When you sing God's praises, the sins you've committed gradually decrease. So, keep all these things in mind. Let me know in the comments how you liked the video. See you in the next one. Thank you so much.